All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, from staking the coin, using a credit card, BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, it's going to be the ball dropping in a few hours here. Last day of 2021, talking a little about a cryptocurrency. We're going to do a Bitcoin SV. That's right, talking about Bitcoin SV. Got more transactions in the last 24 hours than any other blockchain. We're going to talk about that. And then, of course, we're going to talk about what you're doing tonight in a few hours. Are you going to New York to watch the ball drop? Or are you going in the Metaverse? And you're going to check the ball dropping off from there. We're going to cover the Metaverse. This year, you can go to the Metaverse and go to the New York Times Square and see the ball dropping, dance around, get drinks, the whole 9 yards. Going to cover all that in today's episode. Last episode of 2021, everybody, for Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you again next year. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Who's kidding who? 2021 was the year cryptocurrency became mainstream. Everybody knows about Bitcoin now. Everybody knows about Dogecoin. Everybody knows about Shiba Inu. So Doge on Mars. I mean, this is the year that cryptocurrency became mainstream. AMC is accepting cryptocurrency. Crypto.com in LA right now. All kinds of good stuff. All right, everybody, let's head over to Bitcoin SV. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. First time doing Bitcoin SV. Number 59th cryptocurrency on the planet. $121 this token is being traded for. It's down about 7% in the last 24 hours. Maybe a discount buy. I like it when it's 10, 11, 15, 20%. So 7%, down about a percent. Checking it out over here. Again, 121.21. Checking the last 7 days. So the token was all the way up to $132 a few days ago. It came down all the way to 122. It bounced back up. So again, in the last 7 days, it is coming down a little bit. The coin is down slightly. Over here at the Twitter account, Bitcoin Associates, stat of the day, blockchain processed the most transactions in the last 24 hours with over 2.4 million transaction speed. Take a look at this. Transactions in the last 24 hours per blockchain. All right, we'll start over here. Bitcoin had 44,000. Litecoin had 98,000. Bitcoin Cash had 270,000. Ethereum, 1.2 million. XRP, look at there. XRP is at 1.4 million. And Bitcoin SV, transactions the last 24 hours per blockchain, the most, 2.4 million transactions the last 24 hours. Pretty big. Bitcoin SV, most transactions in the last 24 hours. Next stat, transaction per second per blockchain. We got Litecoin here, 1.14. Bitcoin Cash at 3.14. Ethereum at 14.39. XRP at 16.44 transactions per second. Bitcoin SV 2822. Number one on the chart on this one too, everybody. Number one, BSV is the best Bitcoin. So Bitcoin SV, we're talking about that today. Heading over to the website, a global infrastructure with unbounded efficiency. Discover how Bitcoin SV has delivered the vision of one global blockchain. It's fast, scalable, efficient, friendly, setting many records along the way. So I don't know if this may be your first time hearing about Bitcoin SV. You can actually get Bitcoin SV on Robinhood. Look at this, per second. Move that back over. 50,000 transactions per second it could actually do. 1,500 developers, the original Bitcoin, exactly the envision, Bitcoin. Not just the fastest blockchain, Bitcoin SV is the fastest public ledger with the capacity to support over 50,000 transactions per second. But that's not all. Powered by Bitcoin scripting, each transaction can be smart contract, cryptography, secure token, or an NFT. The possibilities using the benefits are truly limitless. Bitcoin SV is a green technology. We focus on CO2 efficiency per transaction and outclass all competition blockchains on coin carbon cap since its inception. Environmentally, Bitcoin SV already directly competes with Visa, the world's most used payment network, but Bitcoin SV does and enables so much more. Sustainability, key features of Bitcoin SV, on-chain data storage, on-chain scaling, also regulatory friendly, Next thing over here, smart contracts. It also has token support, TX through output, block size. Bitcoin SV has extended the recommended block size limited to 2 gigabytes, instant transactions, NFT support. It goes on and on and on. On-chain auditing, on-chain data storage, Bitcoin SV. It's got its things going on. All right, so do me a favor in the bottom. Do you have some Bitcoin SV? Have you ever checked it? Have you charted it? Is it on your radar? Probably should be. Most transactions in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin SV. Everybody's always trying to outdo Bitcoin or outdo Ethereum. Well, for the New Year's, a lot of people are going to New York and they're going to watch the ball drop. Well, some people may not be able to do that. Some people may be worried about COVID-19 or all the COVID different strands. So this year, we can actually put our goggles on and go in the metaverse. Let's check this out. What are you talking about? Right here, digital cryptocurrency group, Jamestown partners to bring out one Times Square to Decentraland Metaverse. So here we go. This is going to be Times Square. Take a look, New York. We got the ball up at the top. Right here, you're walking through. There's like 5 different buildings in this. One Times Square. The new virtual space will launch on New Year's Eve at a Metafest 2022 global party. Are you going to the party? The virtual build is the first high-rise development in Decentraland. Let's read a little bit about this. Basically, there's active investors in the blockchain, digital asset industry. A global real estate firm, Jamestown, today announced a joint partnership with One Times Square in Decentraland, the leading Decentraland virtual world. Yep, so you can go to Decentraland today, and literally at One Times Square is the site where the New Year's Eve ball drop celebration. You can go check the celebration out today. You know, these events highlights how virtual events can be cohesive, integrated with real-life events at the same time for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So many things you can do in the metaverse. It says right here, the metaverse can give people around the world a meaning access place through an immersed virtual experience. Recreating one of Times Square's in Decentraland Metaverse is part of the larger digital asset strategies to involve the enhancement of physical real estate for Web 3.0 and the new pathway to access existing multi-metaverse in the future. I'm excited about this, everybody. We can go to the metaverse and watch the ball drop today. You can actually be watching your TV, put the goggles on, kind of be jumping back and forth. Right here, it will launch in the metaverse on New Year's Eve. They'll be featuring music, entertainment acts, rooftop VIP lounges. Don't forget to go to the VIP lounges. Crypto art galleries. There'll be games, live feeds of real world Times Square virtual Zoom parties will stream digitally billboards, bringing the global partygoers together in the metaverse to celebrate the new year. In addition to One Times Square, the building area, which spans approximately 170 parcels. So look, there's 170 parcels, including 5 buildings. So there's 5 buildings you can go into right here, 5 buildings, each with different interior and exterior things that you can do. Also, there's going to be entertainment that's going on. All right, so here we go again. Are you going to the metaverse today to watch the ball dropping? Are you doing it on the TV set? Are you down in New York? Well, the metaverse makes it possible, everybody. Hey, let's head back over to Bitcoin SV. Over at the website, clicking projects. Bitcoin projects from around the world. The following are just a selected and diverse, amazing projects. So you take a look. We got all kinds of things that Bitcoin's doing, Bitcoin SV's doing. View the projects. It goes on and on and on. I'm just going to scan it. Bitcoin, BitStocks, BitPos. Take a look at all the different projects that Bitcoin SV is already doing. Crypto Fights, Gravity, Floats, Maxathon, Mint Blue, N-Chain. The list goes on and on and on. All right, let's head over to CoinMarketCap. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, we just went back 3 months ago to show you some pricing here. So this coin was $151 a few months ago, $156 in last month. It went all the way up to $179 last month. It went all the way up to $193 last month, $165. Let's go in the last year. The high for the last year, we got $366, $370 up here. All kinds of good stuff. But again, in the last 3 months, this token was at $187, $160. What's our price prediction right now? It's at $121. I think this coin can easily get to $140, $150 in the first quarter of next year. The prices are already supported. It does that. It kind of does this a little bit. Bitcoin SV, the fastest blockchain out there. All kinds of good stuff going on. All our information is for educational purposes only. So let's go ahead and check out a few more of these tokens. Top 10 Polkadot's down 8%. Terra Luna's down 12%. XRP's down 12%. Solana's down 13%. Ethereum's down 10%. And Bitcoin itself is down 10%. These are all 45,009, 36.5. These could be some good discount buys. So give us your thoughts. What do you think of Bitcoin SV? Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, all kinds of stuff. Today is the last day of 2021. Enjoy it. Watch the ball drop. I don't know if you're watching it in the Metaverse, you're watching it in person, or watching it on TV, or at somewhere. Enjoy yourself, everybody. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, we'll see you next year with cryptocurrency from Frank's Crypto Corner.